So the new QliqCHAT app, the enhancement to the Qlik Mobile and QliqConnect app. So it's a new look, but all the same great features plus more. So if I log in, you're going to log in with the same credentials that you have on your Qlik Legacy app. Nothing is going to change for you. No administrative burden to set up a new account. And all of your messages that were on your Qlik Legacy app that you currently have downloaded for the past 7 days, because that is our retention period, will automatically populate in QliqCHAT. So some great features about the QliqCHAT app that are new is this mark all read features. You go on vacation, you come back from a week and you have hundreds of unread messages, and there are things that you don't need to worry about, you want to move on. You can click this mark all read and it's going to remove your notifications for that. Mark your messages or mark your conversations as favorites, or essentially what it's called is star them. So when you go into conversation, you can click this little star up on the top right. That makes it a favorite. And then I have my starred up here on the right. And so just those messages show for me. The flow sheet for Friday's clinic, I want to set that as a reminder for myself and be able to remember that because I've already read this message. I can star that message. So my message has been starred. And then over here, if I click my avatar, I have a menu of many more options. So if I go there and click on my starred messages, any individual message that has been starred will show here. With your single party chats, you can, right from the top, be able to video call or make a call to that individual if your group has those features enabled. Also within the contact details, you'll have those buttons to be able to start the call or video call. So on the left-hand menu, there is a question mark feature. So when you first log into the application as a first-time user, you're automatically going to see these tutorials and you can go through them or you can skip them. But at any time, you can watch them again by clicking this little question mark up by your name. And so that's going to bring you through the tutorial, and it's going to show you how to do different actions, where to find different stuff within the app. And so that will be available within the app for all users at any time to access. Snap and Sign is an additional feature that can be turned on for your organization group as well. And so what Snap and Sign is if you have a PDF document, you can either take a photo of one, or you may have an attachment sent to you that needs a signature. You can fill in sign. So it gives you the option to be able to add a signature and change the color of that signature, add it to wherever you need to. You can add pretext, you can add check marks, you can add a date, and there's a few other options to be able to free draw, add circles on the document. And so this is a great way to scan a document, sign it, and attach that back in a Qlik message. A Qlik assisted call is an additional feature as well that your group may have enabled. And so that essentially hides your caller ID. It gives a phone number that's provided by your organization to show up on the caller ID versus your own cell phone number showing up. So this can be used to call any individual contact in QliqCHAT, or you can free dial a phone number. So you can use Qlik assisted calling to call anyone outside of your Qlik network as well. Over here on the left-hand menu, additional features such as on-call schedules and texting non-Qlik users, if those features are enabled for your group, will appear. On the bottom, you have the Snap and Sign, the on-call groups, visit path, and barcode scan. These again are all additional features. So if your organizational group has those enabled, you will see them. And if your organization group doesn't, you will not see the icons there to be able to access those.